Good morning, one and all present here. Welcome to NeoSpark 2025. NeoSpark 2025, an exhilarating fusion of creativity, innovation, and artistic expression, hosted by ITM Institute of Design and Media. Today's event is not just an annual work showcase, but a graduation exhibition and fashion preview with a cutting-edge design showcase presenting the talents and visions of our students to the design fraternity. We are privileged to witness the culmination of 4 years of dedication, hard work, and passion of our BDES and BSc students from all genres, including fashion, visual communication, interiors, and animation.
I am sure all the guests today will witness the outstanding design exhibition this morning. Our talented graduates have poured their hearts into creating unique collections and stunning artworks that challenge conventional boundaries.
I'm sure all of you are excited for this event, and so, without a delay, let's commence this beautiful day. With the cultural tradition of lamp lighting, I hereby would like to welcome all our guests, our CEO, Mr. Nitin Puja, our Director, Ms. Nisha Chanda, our Dean, Chetan, Ms. Chetna Dikkar, and Mr. Madhusudan, VFX filmmaker, Mr. Lokesh Thara, ex-PPZ Studios, Mr. Hussain, founder of Reflection Design, Mr. Manihan Krish from Design Yatra, Mr. Tejas Shah from Accord, to please come on the stage and grace the occasion.
ITM.
Of course, Bhumika. Let me take this privilege to introduce to you all ITM's inception. Established in 1991 by Dr. P.V. Ramana, ITM Group of Institutions is a leading provider of high quality, higher and technical education in India, offering diverse programs in management, engineering, hospitality, design, allied sciences, vocational and skill development, and other elite courses since its inception. ITM's group has expanded its presence to include 6 business schools with AICTE approved full-time PGDM program, a prominent executive education center with 15 centers and renowned Institute of Hospitality Management, Culinary Arts and Design School in Mumbai. Additionally, ITM Institute of Health Sciences collaborate closely with the health industry to offer programs in elite health professionals with over 16,000 students. Currently enrolled, ITM Group has significantly grown in reputation and size over 32 years of history. Bhumika, you are a student of ITM. How it feels to be a part of this prestigious institute?
The curriculum, our faculties, the exposure, the infrastructure, and my classmates. An amazing journey so far. Now talking about ITM, it was established in 2010. We are one of India's best design schools. We offer a fashion design, interior design, visual communication, UI UX and VFX animation course. ITM Group of Institutions has collaborated with some of the world's leading educators to establish the ITM Institute of Design, Media, Management and Technology Education. Pedigree is ideally suited for a fresh approach to developing students for careers in fashion design, interior design, animation, AVFX and UI UX. Located in Andheri, Mumbai, the leading city of India, ITM has been built from the ground up to deliver technologically advanced and industry-relevant training. ITM is fully equipped with the latest computing technology and technical laboratories for specialized training in design and production.
For academic excellence, exceptional leader and all things innovation, Mr. Nitin Puja, the CEO of ITM Group of Institutions. Under Mr. Nitin's leadership, the ITM Group has flourished, expanding its horizons and setting new benchmarks in the education sector. Preparing them to meet the challenges of the modern world. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Nitin Puja. ITM is designed where creativity meets purpose, and designers shape the future. Over 4 years, you'll grow through a journey tailored to your passion, whether it's fashion, interior design, UI UX, animation, visual communication, and interior design. In the first year, it's all about building a foundation, learning tools, materials, and discovering your unique design voice. In the second year, you go deeper, master the core skills of your chosen field, and sharpen your creative edge. In the third year, you step into the real world and gain industry experience with internship, field work, and subjects that help you find your niche. In the fourth year, you bring together in a graduation period, showcased in public exhibition, design exhibition. This isn't just about skill, it's about innovation, collaboration, ethic, and thinking like a future-ready designer. At ITM, we just don't teach design, we help you live it up.
Delighted to introduce Professor Nisha Chanda, our esteemed campus director of the Institute of Design and Media. Colleagues alike, please join me in welcoming Professor Nisha Chanda.
Guests and everyone to head on to our exhibition center so that you can go through a design crafted by our students. Please proceed.
Thank you.